Hello viewers, my name is Ellen Ndubisi Emmanuel. Welcome to my channel Ndubisi Online Math and Physics. In this video, we are going to discuss about physics. So we are going to treat this important topic: units and measurements. Units and measurements. So in this topic, we are going to treat fundamental quantities and their units. We are going to look at derived quantities and their units. We are going to look at dimension of physical quantities, dimension of physical quantities, and finally we are going to look at measurements. So these are the things we are going to consider in this topic. We are not going to rush it. We are going to take it slowly and one after the other. We are going to explain it in a way that you understand it. Now, let's talk about fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities and their units. Fundamental quantities and their units. Now, if you are talking about fundamental quantities, we talk about length, we talk about time, we talk about mass. Now, let's define fundamental quantities. What are fundamental quantities? What is the meaning? Fundamental quantities are quantities, they are basic quantities that are independent of other quantities. So they are independent of other quantities. They can exist without the support of other quantities. And the same thing applicable to units. Fundamental units are units that are independent of other units. Example, seconds, kilogram, meter, and so on. Now, we are going to look at fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities and also their units. Fundamental units. So we are going to explain this. We are going to give the quantities. We are going to give the what? Units. So the first, number one, we have what we call mass. Mass in what is denoted by what? M. And the unit of mass is what? Kilogram. Kg. So the unit of mass is kilogram. So the unit of fundamental quantities are what? Are called fundamental units. Don't forget that. So the unit of mass is what? Kilogram in kg. Number two, we have length. Length in L is denoted by capital L. The unit of length is in meter. Don't forget that. Small m is in what? Meter. We have time. We have time, and the unit of time, we have time like this. The unit of time is in what? Seconds. The unit of time is in seconds. So these are basic units. These are what? Basic quantities. We still have more. We can also add some. We can add temperature. We can add temperature. So if you add temperature, the unit of temperature is what? Kelvin. Kelvin in K, or Celsius. Celsius always is in C like this. So we have it in degrees Celsius. We have Fahrenheit. So we talk about these are basic fundamental quantities. So we talk about current. We talk about current. So current is temperature is what? Small t, and current is what? Is I. I is what we use to denote current. So current is I. Then when we talk about current, we talk about ampere. So the unit of current is in what? Amps. Ampere. Yes. We talk about luminous intensity. Let me just squeeze it here. We talk about luminous intensity. So luminous intensity is what? Candela. Candela. CD. Candela. So all these are fundamental quantities. All these are fundamental units. We talk about the seventh one. We talk about amount of substance. Amount of what? Substance. Amount of substance. The unit is in mole. Mole. In mole. So etc. A lot of them. So, but these are the things you need to know under fundamental quantities and their units. But there are three of them. There are three most basic ones. So the most basic one is this and this. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So they are the most basic one we have, which is MLT. So in dimension, it will help us a lot. We talk about more. We talk about these three very well when we get to dimension of physical quantities. So please, if you enjoyed this video, do well to like, comment, and share. Also subscribe for more video. So in our next video, we talk about derived quantities and their units. Stay tuned. God bless you.